Is your 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee displaying the dreaded key fob not detected message? Don't panic. This is a common issue, often software related and fixable. First, suspect the key fob itself. A weak CR2032 battery is a primary culprit. Replace it, cost 5, 10, and test again. If that doesn't work, the RF hub, located in the rear bumper, might be the problem. This hub acts as the antenna for your key fob. Environmental factors like rain can cause corrosion or disconnections in the hub's connector. For a quick check, inspect the RF hub under the rear bumper for loose connections or damage, especially after wet conditions. Remember, Jeep has issued recalls and software updates to address this, so check with your dealer about the latest applicable fixes for your VIN. It's likely a software calibration issue, not a hardware defect. If battery replacement and RF hub inspection don't resolve the issue, a dealer visit is necessary for advanced diagnostics and BCM reprogramming. Jeep has issued recalls to reprogram the BCM and update firmware. Many owners report success after these fixes, particularly when software glitches are the cause. For prevention, perform annual fob battery checks and address any moisture near the rear fascia to avoid future issues. Modern key systems rely heavily on software, so ensure your Jeep receives all over-the-air updates to maintain functionality. Looking ahead, future Jeep models feature improved module designs to reduce issues by 20 to 30%, along with AI-driven diagnostics in apps and enhanced antenna technology for better interference resistance.